includes the following counties: in Virginia, Campbell and Charlotte. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Moore County, Scotland County, Western Harnett County, Richmond County, Southern Lee County, Polk County, till 9:30 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Southern Pines to Laurinburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Sighting, entries. Locations impacted include Sanford, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Carthage, Highhurst, Aberdeen, Baxton, Hoffman, and Antioch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. These storms are producing excessive amounts of deadly lightning. Get to a safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Polk, Lee, Moore, Richmond, and Scotland.
Amber Alert for a child abduction. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Thurston County Sheriff's Office is searching for Gabriel Newman. Gabriel is a 1-year-old black male, approximately 30 inches tall. North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Thurston County Sheriff's Office is searching for Gabriel Newman. Last seen wearing a black and white Nike outfit, shorts with a black and white Nike logo. The abductor, Gregory Wendell Newman, is described as a black male, 6 feet tall, 190 pounds, with black long dreadlocks and brown eyes. Gregory also has a tattoo of a dollar sign over the right hand, and a tattoo of the letter G on the right arm. Gregory was last seen wearing a shirt with fire flames on it, and a light colored pair of jeans with patches. Gregory was also wearing a scarf over 190 pounds, with black long dreadlocks and brown eyes. Gregory also has a tattoo of a dollar sign over the right eye, love and hate tattoos over the left and right hand, and a tattoo of the letter G on the 190 pounds, with black long dreadlocks and brown eyes. Gregory also has a tattoo of a dollar sign over the right eye, love and hate tattoos over the left and right hand, and a tattoo of the letter G on the right arm. Gregory was last seen wearing a white shirt with fire flames on it. And 0500. And a light colored pair of jeans with patches.
Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Moore County, Harnett County, Cumberland County, Lee County, South Central Wake County, Hope County until 10 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sanford to 6 miles northwest of Hope Air Force Base near Whistler, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-time hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entry. Locations impacted include
Lillington, Fort Bragg,
Sequoia Valley,
Fort Bragg, Godwin, Hope Air Force Base. Excessive deadly lightning and very heavy rain is also occurring.
Lightning and very heavy rain is also occurring.
Interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued in North Carolina for the following counties: in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Lee, Moore, and Wake.
Here is a special weather statement from
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
northwestern Sampson County, Harnett County, northwestern Cumberland County, northeastern Lee County, Wake County, Johnston County,
Southern Durham County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Cary to near Livingston to Fayetteville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gust-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, entries. Locations
include Raleigh, Durham, Fayetteville, Cary, Smithfield, Lillington, Fort Bragg, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, and Clayton.
excessive
Deadly lightning and very heavy rain are also occurring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Cumberland, Durham, Harnett, Johnston, Lee, Sampson, and Wake.
In Central Virginia, northwestern Lunenburg County, Nottoway County, Amelia County in Central Virginia, southwestern Powhatan County in Central Virginia until 10:30 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Prospect to near Hampton-Sydney College to near Kaysville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rice and Green Bay around 9:50 p.m. Burkeville around 9:55 p.m. Crew, Nottoway, and Jetersville around 10:05 p.m. Blackstone, Amelia Courthouse, Morven, and Tobaccoville around 10:15 p.m. Spainville, Scotts Fork, and Ballsville around 10:20 p.m. Chula and Macon around 10:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Rains Tavern, North Wellville, Tuggill, Prince Edward Station, Angola, Briery, Earls, Twin Lakes State Park, Winterham, and Kingsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Lunenburg, Virginia.
Southern Granville County, Central Wake County, Durham County, Franklin County.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Bath County, Southern Granville County, Central Wake County, Durham County, western Franklin County until 10:45 p.m. At 10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Durham to near Raleigh to 6 miles northwest of Benton, moving north at 80 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, Butner, Cleveland, Franklinton, and Kittrell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Potential rainfall is occurring at these points and may lead to flash flooding.
In North
Do
Carolina,
not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Granville, Vance, and Wake.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Charlotte County, northwestern Halifax County until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Leda, or near Natalie, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keysville, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Natalie, Drake's Branch, Leda, and Abilene. Thunderstorm warning for Vance County in central North Carolina, Warren County in central North Carolina, central Granville County in central North Carolina, Franklin County in central North Carolina until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Lewisburg, Warrenton, Norlina, Littleton, Kitchell, Bunn, Stem, and Stovall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, Vance, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Forsyth County, northwestern Guilford County, until 2 a.m. At 11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Around 1 inch of rain has fallen since 10:15 p.m. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Winston-Salem, Kernersville, Clements, Huntsville, Louisville, Summerfield, Stokesdale, Walkertown, Rural Hall, Stanleyville, Frosttown, Sedge Garden, Bellows Creek, Colfax, Bellows Lake, and Donahue. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Friday for the following counties in North Carolina: Forsyth and Guilford,